lizard, 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 lizard.
Just me.
Just you? Perfect. Do you want to come on through?
Hello, you! Hello! Have big hugs. Oh, hello.
Big hugs for the Gruffalo. Have you read the Gruffalo book?
I have, yes.
You have?
We know each other quite well. We gave each other quite big hugs.
Oh, yes, you did. Look, what's that Gruffalo?
For you!
Oh my god!
Happy bounces! Yay! Come here!
Oh my goodness! He loves it. Thank you. Oh my!
Mwah.
He's blowing you kisses.
Mwah.
He says he loves it. Oh, awesome! Can you help me find his purple freckles? Do you know where they are?
On his back.
All over his back. Good job. Oh, and he's shaking them. Are you shaking your bottom, Gruffalo? So cheeky. You're so silly. Should we get a photo with him?
Yes.
Yeah. Will Teddy.
Hello, that's for you.
Will, you got a present. Wow.
And that's for you, Violet. Got to hold it for Violet for her wings.
Oh, well done, Violet.
She's got it.
She's got it in the wing.
Do you want to hold it for the people so I can get a hug?
Yeah, perfect. Oh, Annabelle's got it. Perfect.
Here we go. Come here, Wilf. Come here, Violet. Can we picture together? See my wolf howl, Wilf. Ready?
Will's showing his out.
Hey! Good job, Wilf. Oh, see you later, Wilf. Bye, Violet. See you soon. Oh. They're for you. Have a look what's inside. Let's go sea life. You'll know what that means. Fish. 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 Dory. Nemo. Fish. Lizard. 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 Fish. 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 Shark. Fish. It's weird and it don't look good. Yeah, you're gonna call Ghostbusters. Everyone! I ain't afraid of no ghosts. Okay, we're gonna be brave and go through the vampires again. So it is kind of like Far Villagers, but it's kind of a bit like a Van Helsing type thing. I actually can't remember the name of the scare zone. It's kind of like Van Helsing. You ever seen that film? It's weird, but it's alright film. So we're just gonna go through and pray for it one more time before we go and see the stage show. So this is me before the Stone Watchers. That's what it's called, the Stone Watchers. Stone Watchers Vampire's Lair. Nice. And it's me afterwards. Holy shit. I got chased. Ow. I didn't run through the door this time, but I got chased out by a fucking, what the fuck that was. Oh my god. I had a chase out.